Fort Snelling, where there are services today at 11 and 3 o'clock this afternoon to recognize our men and women who have served. Thank you for your service, and we'll have more on that coming up. Well, it is time to get social and check in on some of the latest trends. It's probably no surprise that healthcare is a big, huge, hot topic. One Twin Cities marketing group says they've seen the posts dominate their apps and social media. And joining us this morning, John Marino from RSP Marketing. Good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
I find this incredibly interesting that a lot of people are turning to friends and family members via social media, or really anybody that they're connected to find out about healthcare, and specifically which option to choose when it comes to MNsure.
Yeah.
This is popular.
Yeah, this is something new that we are seeing. Since the healthcare changes with Obamacare and MNsure, a lot of people are taking to Facebook, Twitter, MASH a lot, and posting what they're paying, their frustrations, the confusion, and really putting it out into the universe to see what others have to say about it.
So there's some options out there, various options for people to choose. So people are using social media as a form of research as to which program to choose?
Right. Ultimately, people will talk to their family or their friends about which options other people are doing and choosing for their healthcare. And now what we're seeing is that they're using their social media and posting it. Particularly like on MASH a lot, we've seen an uptick of 20% this past 7 days of more and more people posting like how much they're paying on prescription pills, their clinic visits, their hospital visits. It's very interesting to see the shift that ultimately none of us anticipated, but now that it's such on the forefront of everybody's mind with the campaigns and what have you, and obviously in the media being talked about, that people are taking to the social networks and talking about it.
So is it mostly information, or is the purpose of their post more frustration in terms of what they're paying, or is it just information? Or here's what I did.
You know, that's a great question, and we're seeing a cross-section. So yesterday I had a person post about their prescription pills, and they said that they went to this one pharmacy, very well known, and they would not tell them how much it cost to fill the prescription until they placed the order.
Oh.
So then he filled it, and then he went to across town to another place and saved $300 a month. And on Mashlight, he posted that up there, and it's just one story of many where people are really starting to share where they're getting better deals on healthcare.
Oh my gosh! And even on prescriptions?
Even on prescriptions.
So it makes a difference from one pharmacy to the next.
Absolutely.
Wow, incredible. All right, so there's, of course, a lot of people talking about the cost of healthcare. A lot of premiums are going up for some families or couples or individuals. Ultimately, could all this social sharing actually, do you think, drive down the cost of healthcare and make some of these costs come down? I know you had an inquiry from a doctor.
That's right. I had a doctor from the D.C. area reach out to me, and he shared a Washington Post article about the Affordable Care Act and how they put together a bunch of nonprofit groups together to really compete on the healthcare costs that ultimately drive down the cost. However, in this new Affordable Care Act, they weren't allowed to have any money for marketing, so not quite sure how that was going to happen. However, when he reached out to me, he said, hey, could Mashlight really help with that in terms of people are posting what they're paying for healthcare, and you saw like, oh, wow, I could save so much money on this visit or this procedure. Would that help competition and ultimately drive down costs? And of course, we all know that the more people talk about it and the more research you do, yes, that would work that way. So the more you share, now what's interesting is how much will people share?
I was going to say, yeah, is everybody that comfortable with putting out how much they're paying for their health care?
Right.
Or even anything about their health care?
And the trend, at least, that we're seeing is that there's currently an uptick. Now, how long that will last will be very interesting to see. But definitely the people who are frustrated with being overcharged or feeling that they're overcharged, either on their healthcare plan or even on some different visits, they're definitely putting it out there into social media. So
I don't know if is it a good idea? Do you think it's a good idea that you share all this information?
I
guess it's up to the individual.
I think it's a personal choice. Now, you know, some of the things that I would warn anybody that's out there posting is that to make sure that you know that that's kind of, you're putting it out there into the universe indefinitely. And so if you're interviewing for a job or maybe a background check of any sort, if you put that out there, it's out there. And so you want to think about that beforehand. But it will be interesting to watch and see how many people post it.
Yeah, because some employers might not like that you have one condition or one illness, or another. So it is something to think about. But real quick, you mentioned that it could drive down the cost of healthcare. Any guess on if that would happen, how long that would take? I mean, you think it's 6 months, a year? I guess it depends on how much conversation there is.
That's right. It depends on how much conversation, and also depends on the type of procedure. So on elective surgeries, plastic surgery, what have you, that could actually drive down quicker. The bigger the procedure and the more complicated or complex it is, you would see that over time.
Yeah.
Now, but a lot of us have different issues, medical issues that are very common. Whether it be diabetes, whether it be allergies, even eye exams. I mean, there's a lot of things that we all go through that if you post that out there in the hospitals and clinics take notice to it, yeah, they would definitely start to compete and lower the prices to attract more visits.
Yeah.
And so social media can definitely benefit from that. And what we've, again, seen on Mashal is a lot more people posting on that on our app. So.
All right. And speaking of Mashal, we'll have you back to talk about some Black Friday deals and
That's
what's
right.
out there in terms of shopping.
That's
John
right.
Marino from RSP. Thanks so much. We
Thank you.
appreciate it. All right.